Good push, dude. Good push.
Ready? Game in 5. Go! Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? You gotta stay on the CPD side.
Out left, out left. Nice, nice. There, I said something. I at least called my kill that round. Yeah. Woo. Okay. There you go. Where's Wanter? He got me. One left on me. Nice.
Man, Tyler shot me in the head.
We must have traded.
Yeah, someone traded me.
Yeah. I think it was you. You? Yeah, it was you and me. Good shot, man.
I think I feel a little bump on my head too.
One on me. Back left, back right. Back right on me.
I keep on forgetting not to say hit.
It's okay. At least put up your hand. That's what you want to do. Don't say hit. Don't say hit. Yeah, that's all.
All right, guys. We're going to have everyone take a break.
Woo. I like that. That was awesome. Good fighting, man. Whew.
And then we'll hop into some drills.
Good shots, yeah. Dude,
Totally didn't just come back from California playing in the event.
oh, that makes sense now. Okay.
Then we'll just go to the event out in Cali.
Awesome.